Hello, this is Jack Mill, the House Whisperer. I received feedback the other day about, Jack, how do I caulk a tub? And that's a great question. If you have a steel tub, cast iron tub, or fiberglass tub with a tile surround, the first thing you do is you take out the old caulk. Use a razor knife. Be careful as to not damage the tub nor the wall. And then I want you to fill the tub with water. Water weight plus body weight will then settle the tub to its lowest point. What do I mean by body weight? I want you in the tub, okay? Now, when you get out your caulk gun, always do a very small angle cut because it's going to come out fast. Always have paper towels ready. So once you're in the tub, I want you to do your corners and then around the perimeter. Now, you're probably going to have to wear a bathing suit too, because when you do the sides of the tub and where it marries to the floor, you have to caulk that too. So small bead, be patient, take your time. Use a good silicone-based caulk as well, no latex in that application. With a latex caulk, it's clay-based and it's going to dry out. So when you're done your caulking, then step out of the tub, but leave the water in until the caulk dries and then drain. Now, why do we do it this way? Because when someone then enters the tub, especially a child, they're not going to weigh as much as you did, and they're not going to settle the tub as much as you will, and then at the same time, you're not going to break that bead. So any other questions? And you can always reach out to me at thehousewhisperershow.com. See you next time.